Hi everyone. I'm going to teach you this way, and I actually like to teach you this way because you can watch it anytime. You don't need to be online at a certain time, and if technology fails, you don't lose the lesson, and also you can watch it over and over. Although it's harder for me because I have to do a video by video, and I have to make it in YouTube, and I have to post it. So but I think it's minimum that we can do for you in this difficult time, so I don't mind. Okay, so I have to do topic 19 and then go to questions from 20 and 21 that were missing because we didn't do them because of topic 19. And I'm so happy to do topic 19 with a video because topic 19 is hard, and students, they can watch them over and over, and it's so good. Okay, so here I have this question which is y equal 1 minus 2x cubed. Okay, and it's a power function, and I want to find the derivative. So I cannot say y prime is let me change the color. Maybe it's easier for like to see it with blue. Okay, so we cannot say it's like this. Okay, prime, for example, cubed. Okay, so we cannot do that at all. Okay, so what should we do? So we say, okay, y prime is, we can't say it's derivative of this multiple derivative of this. No, we know it doesn't work. It doesn't work this way because we know derivative doesn't go through multiplication, doesn't go through division. So they have different formula, which you saw in topic 20 and you saw in topic 21. So we cannot do that. Okay, so then I would say, what should I do here? So I would say, okay, for now you can expand. For now you can say y is 1 cubed minus 3, 1 squared multiple this plus 3, 1 minus 2x squared plus minus 2x cubed, which is by Pascal, right? So it's 1 plus 3, which is, okay, so it's minus 6x, right? Plus, okay, so let me see, 4x squared. Okay, so it's plus 12x squared, right? Plus 8x cubed. Okay, because I don't have my solutions in front of me, so if I make a mistake somewhere, just let me know. Okay, so here, yes, it's by Pascal. So the first one cubed and the second one 3 squared times the other one, so which is minus 6x, and this is 4x squared 12, and sorry, here no minus, yes, 1 plus 1 minus. Okay, so it's that, and then we say, okay, y prime is 0 minus 6 plus 24x. Okay, 24x, it's a little bit hard on this desk. Okay, so minus 24x cubed. Okay, we know that. We know y prime, we can calculate with this. Okay, so I have to have, so we all have to know those formulas. Okay, so I'm not sure if I can, yeah, I can write here so you can see. See here, I can do, okay, derivative of a constant number is 0. Derivative of this is nx n minus 1. We know that. Derivative of c x n power n is c n x power n minus 1, means you have to carry c. So yes, you know this, right? So we can find the formula, we can find the answer. But then I say, how about if I have y equal 1 minus 2x power 100? How about if I have that? So if I have power 2, yes, easy. If I have power 3, yes, easy. If I have power 4, with Pascal triangle, I can do it. But not if I have power 100. So what should I do in that case? What is y prime in that case? Okay, so I would say, okay, so I have to teach you this way but I'm thinking I have to teach you with just composite functions and all of those things. But I'm thinking the best way is to teach you one by one for each formula. I do it one by one, and it's easier for you just to get it, because for students, based on my experience, it's a little bit hard to learn this lesson. Okay, so look at this. If I have y equal x power n, what is y prime? N x power n minus 1. But if instead of x I have another function, like here, this is another function, this is not x, this is 1 minus 2x. You give x to the function and it gives you 1 minus 2x. So it's another function. So it's like FOG. Do you remember composite functions? Okay. So if I want to go to the formula and teach you this way, it's hard. So I do it one by one. Okay. So if I have y equal u power n, right? I have u power n. And u is another function. U is not x. Remember, u is not x. That's very important. U is not x. U is another function. So what should I do in this case? So in this case, I would do y prime equal, I think it's x power n. So what is the answer? N x power n minus 1. Okay, so I say, okay, I think it is x power n. I find the formula, I find the derivative. Instead of x, I put u. Because instead of x, I put u, I have to multiply with u prime. So it is n u power n minus 1 u prime. Okay? So wherever you have, instead of x, you have another function, you should do the same thing. Put u instead of x and times with u prime. So, example, y is 1 minus 2x power 3. Okay, what is the answer if you have x power 3? 3x power 2. Yes. Okay, so now you say, okay, I want to find y prime. What is y prime? I tell you, okay, do y equal x power 3. Y prime is 3x power 2. So here also, just be careful. Slowly. Here also you have to do 3. Instead of x, you put u. But what is u here? This is u here. Okay, so you have u equal 1 minus 2x. Okay, so I do 3. 1 minus 2x squared times derivative of 1 minus 2x. Okay, so I write it here. Okay, so for this one, right? See, I think it is x cube. I find the derivative, which is 3x squared. Instead of x, I put u. What is u? U is this one, 1 minus 2x. Then, because I did that, I have to time with u prime. What is u prime? Minus 2. Okay? So, the answer is 3 times 1 minus 2x squared times minus 2. This is derivative of u. This is u prime. So wherever you have u, you have to do the same thing. Substitute u times with u prime. That's important. U prime is important here. This is important. Okay? So then the answer is minus 6. 1 minus 2x squared, and you don't need to expand. Okay, so now here it's explaining by FOG, F of G, and those things. Look at here, instead of f of x, I have f of g. This is u here. Okay, so we have to find derivative of f, substitute u instead of x, times with u prime. This is u prime that I'm talking about. Okay, look at this. I have u power n. We make it bigger, and I hope it works. It doesn't work in the class, so yeah, it's good here. So I have u power n. If I have x power n, the derivative is nx power n minus 1. So now I put u instead of x and times with u prime. Du over dx is u prime. Okay, now I have the answer here for another function. Okay, so now I do slowly for each question, right? I have to watch time because it stops at 15 minutes and I have to do it over and over, you know, so I have to start over. Okay, so see, if I have x power 3, derivative is 3x power 2. But here I don't have x power 3. I have something else power 3. This something else is u. I call it u. So I have to do 3. Instead of x squared, I do u squared. Because I did u squared, because I did use u, I have to time with u prime. Okay? So here y is x squared, sorry, x cubed. So y prime is 3x squared. Here y is this one. So I say, okay, I have u here. So now I have to do y prime equal 3 u squared multiple u prime. That's important here. So wherever you have x, you are fine, do it. See, you have x cubed. This is the answer. Done. But if you don't have x there, you have something else, you have to use u, you have to do the same thing, you have to substitute u times with u prime. This is important. A student forget this one, okay? U prime. So now I do this one. What is u here? Do I have u here? No, I cannot see your beautiful faces. To answer me, I cannot know if you know. Of course you know. See, I have y equal that. So u is 2x plus 1. I don't have x power 5. I have something else power 5. Okay, so if I have y equal x power 5, y prime is 5x power 5 minus 1, which is 5 x power 4, right? But I don't have that. I have y equal 2x plus 1 power 5. I have something else power 5. So I have to do the same thing. Instead of x, I put u times with u prime. I'm not done. Y prime is 5 2x plus 1 power 4 times 2. And I recommend you have to, not recommend, you have to times 2 and 5 together. You cannot take 5 inside because that's power 4. So now y prime is 10 2x plus 1 power 4. Okay? So step by step, see, I look at my function, I see something power 5, I don't see x power 5. I know if I see x power 5, my answer is 5x power 4, but I don't see that. I see something else. This is my something else. This is u. So now I put u instead of x, so 5, the same, this power 4, and I have to times with u prime. This is u prime, and u prime is 2. 2 is here. And then you have to multiply them. Okay, this is the entire lesson for topic 19. From now I'm going to do I'm just going to do examples for topic 19, 20 and 21, which are all related to this topic. So just stay with me.